friends, today we will make eggless healthier cookies. I have used multigrain flour which is whole wheat plus oats, soya and maize. The dry ingredients we will need would be soda bicarb, salt, sugar, brown sugar and white sugar, choco chips, and I have taken some half cutted Mentos. And the wet ingredients we will require will be butter, about 60 gram melted. Because it is eggless, we will require curd or yogurt, about half a bowl, and if binding requires, we will require optional milk. Now we will add all the dry ingredients into the flour. Cinnamon and desiccated coconut instead of choco chips. Mentos is optional, we have just added for flavor. Mix thoroughly. Then we will put the wet ingredients into it. And try to make it dough. I'll see if I can make round balls with it. Otherwise, I'll have to put some milk. Now it breaks, so I'll put some milk. Now we'll make round balls. About this size, and then flatten it. I have already preheated the oven at 180 degree for 10 minutes, and I will put the baking paper on the baking tray. Give round shape of cookie and put in the baking tray. This way I have prepared all the cookies. I'll put in the oven and let it become brown or pinkish.